So what if we're actually asking the wrong question about education? What if all of education is meant for kids to just pass a test or get out of high school or get into university, get a job? But what if that's not really the point of education? I think we should be asking, how do we prepare them to really kick ass at life? How do we teach them to reinvent themselves, to learn something, and then put it with something else, and come up with something entirely new? And be able to do that despite the fact that social media and screens and scrolling is having full access to them all the time. We have to be able to teach them that that is not all there is. So, if you want to know more about how I'm doing Kairos learning, you can actually come and join us for a day. It's a hands-on, immersive experience. So you can come and actually see what we do. It makes a lot more sense when you feel it and engage with it, and your kids will have a wonderful time. So I encourage you, if you're curious at all, reach out. You can reach me through a DM or follow my channel, send an email, and we'd love to see you at Kairos.